Hi everyone and welcome back to our Know Your Hing series part 4. Today we'll talk about our pure Asafoetida crystals from our exclusive range of Laxmi Hing, named in the honor of our grandfather Lala Laxmi ji. From the many varieties of Hings out there, we've meticulously selected the top 3 for you. Our team, trained by our grandfather in tasting, blending and purifying Hings, works directly at the source to pick the finest batches. First up, we have the strong variant, perfect for making those masaledar dishes. Think kachori, aloo sabzi, or to add punch to your dal and curry. It brings out that authentic and nostalgic dadi maa ke haath ka flavor. Next up, our Heera Hing, our rarest and strongest Hing, and that's why called the diamond of Hings. It's unmatched in strength, ideal for rich and heavy dishes including meats. This Hing elevates flavors in Rajasthani, Marwadi and Himachali cuisine like nothing else. And finally, our Ultra Hing, the most versatile Hing that works for everyone. It's perfect for anything from sambars to curries to lentils to even continental dishes. It's the go-to Hing for any recipe. But remember that all of our Laxmi Hings are extremely intense, so just less than a pinch is good enough to transform any dish. In the next episode, we'll talk about a very important issue, adulteration in the Hing industry. So stay tuned and happy cooking.